Good morning! Another day, another walk again. Ngayon, ibang park naman itong aking pinuntahan. Recreation Park here in Abu Dhabi. Ayan. It's 1.9 kilometer from my place. It's 26 to 30 minutes walk. So, mas malapit kesa dun sa pinuntahan ko kahapon. Because yesterday, it's 5.5 kilometers. And I'm with April! April, say hi! Yes, this is the place. Very green, very refreshing. So, worth it yung lakad namin kanina na 30 minutes. 30 minutes kasi ang tagal ng stoplight. Ayun, so na-include na siya sa counting. Ayan, let's go! Walk! Ano ba yan? Very refreshing. Very green ang paligid. Ang sarap. Wow. Medyo naiwan na yata ako ni April. Run pag may time. Jog, jog, jog. Magandang umaga, araw. Ang sarap mo pa sa balat ngayong oras na to. Maya masakit ka na sa balat, kaya uuwi kami bago ka makapanakit. Total maaga naman kami pumulas at medyo malapit-lapit, so okay lang kahit at least dito 7 mag walk back na kami pabahay. Wow, sexy. Taking video. Take din ako ng video. Dalawa kami. Video. Aray ko. What's this? Ano kaya yung bungang yan? Where do you want to walk tomorrow?
I don't think about it.
Anywhere
in the beach or
Okay, it's okay with
anywhere.
Anywhere. Anywhere you want.
We go all in.
Al-A, too far! Baka di tayo makapasok niyan. Kailangan before 4 a.m. riding ano na tayo, bus. She likes to go and walk in Al-A. Very far naman. Very far. I know now where to go. Mangrove. You know mangrove? Yeah, mangrove. Later we will check on the map.
I'm the man.
I'm the map. I'm the map. Nakikita nyo ba yung nakikita ko? Okay. Walk, walk, walk. Run, run. Walk backward. Ha? Go, let's. Tatambay kami dito ni April. Paarawan namin ang aming likod. Magandang araw, haring araw. April. The black and the white. Black and white. ang luntiang bahagi sa gitna. May isang babae na nagpipicture, nagseselfie. Wow, ang sarap sa mata ng green. Para sa mga taong green-minded na katulad ko. Bulaklak. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Wow! Cute flower! Yellow! Okay, we will go round in the area. Round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round. All through the town. Yan, ikutin lang namin to. Ikutin. Tapos, uwi na kami bago mag 7, no? Bago mag 7. Kasi mainit na yun. So, yon. Thank you again for watching, for joining our walking today. Nag-enjoy ka ba, Iki?
Yes.
Tagaktak daw yung pawis niya. Talagang sobrang tagaktak.
Pawis na mahabang pawis.
Saya maglakad. Totoo yun.
Everyday walking.
Everyday walking. Kapag nakapag-walking ka sa umaga, buhay ka maghapon. Sarap magpapawis. Okay. See you again tomorrow for another walk. I don't know where to go yet, but you will see soon. You will know tomorrow. Okay, bye for now. Have a blessed Friday and happy weekend to everyone. Bye. Bye.